So they got the. Thank God. They got rid of the popcorn ceiling. Thank the Lord. That thing was horrible. Okay.
So we have to skim the ceilings.
Okay.
Before they get painted, we have to put more compound on them, stuff on these walls, getting rid of some of these imperfections.
Yeah, you see that? Oh, Lord.
Yes, that's why we said the house has to be jacked up and the columns have to be put under.
My gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
He said he's not gonna be alive, so I'm just hoping, pray to God.
And it has to get jacked up and it's like an inch drop.
It's like it's dropping, yeah, right?
Yes. So, what the expected company to do?
No, you fine. I understand what y'all doing. Yeah. Okay.
You see the drop?
See it drop. Ooh.
You can feel it.
Yeah.
You can feel it. Because they didn't do that right. Look.
Oh, yeah, he was telling me about that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right. So this got to get jacked up and they got to put the column like that. Under there. And it should be one like that.
You the guy that's gonna be doing all this.
I'm to do the framing after they put the columns
Oh, after they put on it. Okay, then. Is they coming today or you know? You don't know? Okay.
I'm just going to do as much as I can until they do what they do.
Okay.
That's all I can do.
Yeah, that's right.
That's all I can do.
That's right.
That's all I'm supposed to build the wall.
Yeah, I got it. I mean, this been done faster than, faster than the last
I'm
one.
supposed to put this wall in here, but I can't put it in until they
To that thing down, yeah.
Because if I put the wall in, it's not going to let the floor move.
Okay.
You know what I mean? If I pin the wall and pin it in place, you'll never be able to jack it up.
Never jacked up.
So I gotta wait for that.
Correct. Now, I didn't put you on Facebook Live, but this is Facebook Live. Is that okay?
Oh, okay, that's fine.
This is Mr. Corey, y'all.
How you doing?
All right, he doing the framing, right, and everything.
The framing, yes, I'm the carpenter.
Okay, the carpenter. All right, okay.
We're doing a partner Jeff is outside. We're gonna be doing the painting. The skim coating.
Okay.
I'll be hanging the cabinets in the kitchen.
Okay. He's with the team New Creation Construction.
Yes.
He worked for Chris, the GC. Yeah. I know I have investors be asking questions about this. Okay. Ooh, but y'all did good though, as far as like whipping everything so fast.
Yeah, that's the easy part. As soon as we found that, once I saw that, it was like,
yeah.
Let's call Chris. We gotta get somebody in here.
Okay. Who gonna take the refrigerator?
I'll get that out.
With that? Oh, okay.
I'm just leaving it in here now.
Just for
so
now?
I can keep drinks and stuff in there.
Oh, well, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, you right. But I told him I ain't gonna buy no new refrigerator. If I'm trying to flip this house, ain't no point me buying a refrigerator because, the owners, they get their own refrigerators. Right. Whoever buys it.
Absolutely. So I know Chris has got the windows on order already.
Okay. Look at y'all. What's the other guy's name in the car? Jeff? Oh, okay. Jeff scared me or something? Jeff got the damn car. You know about this right here?
I think Steve's supposed to deal with that stuff.
It's weird.
Steve Cohen is doing all the plumbing.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, y'all doing good though. We on schedule. I just wanted to see what was going on today.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with y'all. I don't do no micromanaging, don't worry. I don't want y'all to catch me out. I just wanted to see Rise was over here after I worked out. So, okay. Well, y'all good then.
The way I work, the faster I get done, the faster I get paid. So I don't be dilly-dallying.
Oh, okay.
I don't be dilly-dallying.
What's his name, Jeff?
Yeah.
Jeff.
There you go, Carl.
Jeff!
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
You okay?
I'm good. Yes. I was on the phone.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, everybody.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Mr. Call. Oh, good. The man with the plan. I'll just check and see what's going on so far.
Yeah. We still knocking it out.
Y'all doing good though.
Yes, man.
We on schedule and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I know that's right.
Mm-hmm.
New creation construction.
Yeah, trying to stay focused. Trying to stay focused.
Okay. I just checking. I ain't gonna hold you up. Go ahead and do your thing.
You have a good day.
You too.